The first thing you need to do is log on Instagram and log into your account. After doing that, you will swipe to the right to come to this option, okay, to this page. And after doing that, you select story and find the music and find the video or the photo that you want to put on the background. I've used a black screen just for example, but you need to choose the photo or the video. After doing that, you click on the second option at the top right corner and find from music. In my case, it is here, but you need to find music. Click on top and select the music that you want to change the music font, okay? So find the music. I will use this one just for example, but you can select any music. After doing that, you select the time of the music, okay, that you want to use. I will use this one just for example. And here you will find several options, okay? If you click on the second option, you already changed the font on Instagram, okay? Here you can use 3 different fonts, okay? And also these 3 other options, so you can have these other options too, okay? I will use this font just for example. On the top, you can also change the color of the font. So just click here, and you already changed the color of the font too. Here you can choose the clip duration and select the clip duration of the music. Then you click on done and share the post with the music font changed, okay?